Pretty much you can just go up to any bar and they have a menu for the day. You go up to the window, kind of like a pickup window, and you just order it and eat outside. That's what they call tapas. You can go, have a little small snack. As you just walk by, you can eat it there, and then you just keep going.
What's up everyone, welcome to my channel, Small Boar and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Today, we're gonna have tapas, just like everybody out here.
So today's Saturday, everybody's out in the streets, having tapas, having a blast, drinking out in the streets, having snacks, shopping, hanging out with their family. Little market. It's like a little farmer's market. And each one, you can just step out here and have your tapas. Go in there, you order it, come out here, drink your drinks. Just bars. The bars pretty much give you all the snacks and everything. It's pretty awesome.
And if you're wondering, this is what it looks like inside. This is just the bar, doing tapas and drinks, as they all do.
Later.
Alright, so that's pretty much all of the trip to Spain. I didn't really vlog or record too much just because I was spending time with my family. But I have some more stuff from France that I'll show, like in Toulouse, and also my trip back. So you guys can look for that in the following weeks.